Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Minecraft on iPhone. It's pretty simple. Open up your app store and then click on search at the bottom right of your screen. Then you want to click on the search icon at the top, and over here you want to write M-I-N-E-C-R-A-F-T Minecraft, M-O-J-A-N-G. Now you need to write Mojang, because if you just write Minecraft then it's going to show you random Minecraft. But if you write Minecraft Mojang, then it's going to show you this. Now remember, if you want to play the original Minecraft, you need to pay $6.99 for Minecraft. So you need to click on USD 6.99 and pay that much and download the Minecraft and play Minecraft on your mobile. Now if you just write Minecraft, let me show you what is going to show up. If you just write Minecraft, then it's going to show you random Minecraft. It's going to show you Multicraft, Realmcraft. And remember, both of this is not Minecraft, alright? They are just like the fake knockoff version of Minecraft. If you want to play the original Minecraft, you need to search for it using Minecraft Mojang and you need to pay for it. There's no way around it. So I hope you understand on how you guys can download Minecraft on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.